Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Sometimes on a midsummer evening, it's nice to just sit outdoors and commune with the pepper plants. This time of year is when they begin to fully express themselves with brightly colored ripened fruit, full of intense heat and flavor. This is what we've been working towards since we planted our seeds indoors on a cold winter day back in early February. I'd love to show you what's ripening in our garden. Let's get started.
Welcome to the ripening, it's already begun. Colors changing everywhere, encouraged by the sun. Germination, transplantation, fertilizer and hydration. Now welcome to the ripening. Welcome to the ripening.
I'm not one to assign human emotions and motivations to plants, but the story of this Butch X Jonah is kind of poignant. This was one of the plants that was swamped last month after a very heavy rain. It dropped nearly all of its leaves, but somehow was not quite dead. It really wanted to survive until it could fulfill its life's purpose. It must have been quite an effort to produce these 4 pods. Charlie Brown pepper plant, we salute you.
Welcome to the ripening.
Here's the first harvest of the season, from a couple of days back on July the 8th. One of the earliest ever. The next several weeks should be very productive. But the thrill of the ripening is tinged with sadness. We live in Minnesota, and we know that winter follows harvest, and that the icy chill will be returning well before we're ready. Many of the varieties we're growing originate in tropical and temperate climates where pepper plants are perennial and can live for years. So they may be shocked and dismayed to learn that their life's journey will abruptly end with the first frost. But today, they're at their peak, and we celebrate the ripening.
Welcome to the ripening under brilliant summer sun. The heat index is rising, and in more ways than one. There's a trace of sadness when harvesting begins. Soon summer will be ending and the cycle starts again. So welcome to the ripening. Oh, welcome to the ripening. Welcome to the ripening.
That's it for this episode. Be sure and follow us on Instagram and Twitter to get daily updates on the ripening. So what are we going to do with all the ripe super hot peppers? Subscribe to our channel to find out. We're posting a new video every week during the growing season, and you won't want to miss an episode. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob. And Freddie.